Tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use American Express gift card on iPhone. So let's get started. Now there are two main ways you can use your American Express gift card on your iPhone. You're gonna add it to Apple Pay. This is the most convenient option as it will allow you to use your gift card for contactless payments, online purchases, and in-app purchases. Now here is how. You can open the Wallet app on your iPhone, tap the plus sign in the top right corner, select credit or debit card. If you have a physical American Express gift card, you can scan it with your iPhone's camera, otherwise, enter the details manually. Then follow the on screen instructions to complete the setup. Now, once your American Express gift card is added to Apple Pay, you can use it to make payments in the following ways. You can make contactless payments, which means that you can hold your iPhone near the contactless reader at checkout. The second one is online purchases. You can look for the Apple Pay logo at checkout and select it as your payment method. You can also use it to make in app purchases. So you can look for the Apple Pay logo within the app and select it as your payment method. Now, the second way is you can use it to add funds to your Apple ID balance. This option is useful if you want to use your gift card to purchase apps, music, movies, and other content from the App Store, iTunes Store, and Apple Books. Now, here is how. You can open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen, select Payment and Shipping, and then click on Tap Add Payment Method. Then select Use Debit or Credit Card, enter the details of your American Express gift card, and then click on Next. Enter the security code from your gift card when prompted and click on Done. Now, once your American Express card is added to your Apple ID balance, you can use it to make purchases as follows. So you can go to App Store, iTunes Store, or Apple Books, select the item you want to purchase, and now when you're prompted to choose a payment method, you can select your Apple ID balance and enter your Apple ID password if prompted. So, alright, guys, I've discussed with you two ways, and that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.